ICTQual is offering you Level 6 Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, 360 credits, 3 years. A comprehensive qualification designed to equip you with the expertise to excel in one of the most versatile and innovative engineering disciplines. This diploma offers an in-depth exploration of mechanical engineering principles, blending theoretical knowledge with practical application. From designing cutting-edge machinery to solving real-world challenges, this course is your pathway to becoming a skilled mechanical engineer. This certification is best for jobs, and also this certification is verified by British Council. This course has 36 mandatory units which will be completed in 3 years. Each year you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits, total in 360 credits by the end of the program. Year 1, Foundation and Core Engineering Principles, 120 credits. Year 2, Advanced Engineering Concepts and Applications, 120 credits. Year 3, Specialization and Practical Application, 120 credits. This course is ideal for aspiring mechanical engineers, technical professionals, graduates in related fields, career changers, innovators and problem solvers. Route for candidates with no experience. The candidate enrolls in the program at an ICTQual approved training center. Learners will be required to complete and submit assignments based on the course's learning outcomes. These assignments will test the learner's understanding and application of the course material. Route for experienced and competent candidates. The candidate must have at least 6 years of verified experience in mechanical engineering or a related field. This experience must be relevant to the learning outcomes of the qualification. The candidate must submit documentation and evidence of their work experience to demonstrate competence in the required areas. This can include job roles, responsibilities, and tasks performed that align with the learning outcomes of the course. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictqlab.co.uk for more qualifications and information.